Nobody, mind it, no one said that they wrote 89 like this mentally and then 11, then added like this 9. In a workshop with teachers, I asked them to add 89 and 11, 89 and 11. It gives 100. Upon asking, you need to think about the process of calculating it. Some of them said we did 89 plus 190 and plus 10 100. Some of them said we knew it. 89 plus 11 is 100. Some said we reached 89 plus 10 99 and the one left added to it and it gives 100. 99 plus 1 gives 100. But strangely, in all the 200 teachers batch, nobody, mind it, no one said that they wrote 89 like this mentally and then 11, then added like this. 9 plus 1 gives 10, 0 here, 1 carry, 8 and 9 and this 1, 10 and this, then 10, then 1 0 0. Nobody did it like this. But when it comes to teaching our children, as a parent or as a teacher, we practice this algorithm religiously. We tell them the way to add is to put numbers in this way, up and down, 89 above, then 11 downwards, then make a mark, and then adding, then taking a carry, and then doing it. But why? Organically, when you sense a number, like when it was asked you to add it, you did it intuitively. Intuitively means, organically means, naturally means, you did it by completing tens, or you knew the fact. Completing tens means 89 to 99, then 1 gives 100, 89 plus 190, and then 10 gives 100. And knowing the fact means you knew it. 89 plus 11 is 100, like 75 to 85 gives 100, 60, 40, 100, 30, 70, 100, 70, 30, 80, 20, like this. So you knew it, you knew the fact. So, but when it comes to children, we are so biased with this algorithm set of things that we make them practice religiously for years. In our childhood, we have also practiced this many a times. As a teacher, I did it in my childhood. I practiced it over and over again. And later on, when I was teaching my children, I was revising this algorithm. Upar likho, niche likho, add karo, like this. I was revising it also. Still, after so many years of practice with the algorithm, whenever somebody asks me to add a few numbers or two numbers, I always go by mental calculation method, never like writing here, and then adding like this. I never ever do it. Why? Because now I sense numbers. I know when they complete, at which number they are going to reach, and this is how I tell them orally. Likewise, all the teachers are trained like this. खुद बचपन में भी किया, उसके बाद बच्चों को पढ़ा भी रहे हैं. तो इतनी प्रैक्टिस होने के बाद भी इट इज वेरी सरप्राइजिंग जब उनको खुद करना होता है तो वो दूसरे तरीके यूज करते हैं. दैट क्लियरली टेल्स यू क्लियरली कि एडिशन का नेचुरल ऑर्गेनिक इंट्यूटिव वे डिफरेंट है उस एल्गोरिदम से. जब ये पूछती हूँ कि अगर ऑर्गेनिक वे डिफरेंट है तो एल्गोरिदम क्यों सिखाते हैं, देन दे से कि बच्चों को सिखाने के लिए इजी होता है, सीखने के लिए इजी होता है. टेल मी, अगर ये मेथड रियली इजी है तो आप इसको क्यों नहीं फॉलो करते जब आपको आंसर्स देने होते हैं? तो इजी है सिखाने और सीखने के लिए, तो आप इजी मेथड क्यों नहीं ऑप्ट करते? आप क्यों टफ मेथड ऑप्ट करते हैं? इजी इज व्हाट कम्स ऑर्गेनिकली टू यू. जब नंबर की सेंस, जब हम नंबर को सेंस करते हैं, फील करते हैं, तो हम उसके साथ ऑर्गेनिकली बिहेव करते हैं. जैसे कि हम फीलिंग्स को फील करते हैं, इमोशंस को फील करते हैं, तो हम ऑर्गेनिकली बिहेव करते हैं. ऐसे ही तो इट इज रियली हाई टाइम कि वी अबंडन दीज एल्गोरिदम मेथड्स. हम बच्चों के साथ कंप्लीटिंग टेंस की एक्टिविटी करें कि 10 कैसे कैसे बनेगा, 1 9 2 8 3 7 46556473891 and 010 is 10. Likewise, completing 20s, then completing 50s, then completing hundreds, and then adding or subtracting. And there are many ways to add and subtract, but we only teach one way, this algorithm method way, which we are obviously not going to use later on in our life. So why do we religiously practice this algorithm thing? We can really reduce it. It's high time. We can do a number line thing. We can jump on numbers and then add it. Then parents and teachers say, बच्चों को मार्क्स कैसे दिए जाएंगे? अगर बच्चा एल्गोरिदम से नहीं लिखेगा तो उसको मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे, वो ठीक से कैसे कर पाएगा? सी ठीक से तो इंट्यूटिवली ही होता है। और रही बात मार्क्स की, इट्स हाई टाइम कि वी चेंज दिस मेथड इन मार्किंग ऑल्सो। मार्किंग करने के लिए भी हमें दूसरे तरीके ऑल्टरनेटिव मेथड्स को देखना होगा कि what are the alternative ways to represent this addition and to represent this subtraction. One of them is number line completion or jumping. One can write it like this also, like 89 plus 1 gives 90, then plus 10 gives 100. So the answer is 100. यही steps हो सकते हैं to depict. एरो के मेथड से जो है बच्चा दिखा सकता है कि 89 से 99 पे गया, फिर 1 पे गया और फिर 100 पे गया. इट इज़ हाई टाइम कि हम मैथ्स को उसी तरीके से एक्सेप्ट करें जिस तरीके से हम उसको डेली लाइफ में यूज़ करते हैं.